Sam, it's time to sleep.
Okay, Mom.
Sleep early. Tomorrow is your first day at school.
Yes, Mom. I am excited.
That's good. You will learn new things. You will make new friends.
Will I like my school?
Yes, you will. Now close your eyes.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Sam. Sweet dreams.
Grace, wake up.
It's Sam's school day.
What time is it, Alex?
It's 6:30 in the morning.
Okay, we have time. Let's get ready.
Good morning, Sam.
Wake up. It's time for school.
Good morning, Dad. Yay! Today is my school day.
Sam, brush your teeth.
Okay, Dad.
Sam, brush your teeth properly.
Okay, Dad.
Here is your school uniform. Get ready for school.
Thanks, Dad.
Wow, you look good in your school dress.
Thank you, Dad.
Wow, Sam, you look very handsome.
Thank you, Mom.
Come on, breakfast is ready. Here is your bread and milk.
Eat well, Sam.
Here is your lunchbox, Sam.
Thank you, Mom.
It's time to go.
I will drop you at school.
Mom, I feel a little nervous.
That's okay. Everyone feels nervous. You will do great.
Let's go, Sam. We are getting late.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Sam. Don't forget to eat your lunch.
Sam, let's practice some English while we drive.
Okay, Dad. I like learning English.
When you see your teacher, you can say, Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
How do you feel today, Sam?
I feel happy.
Very nice.
If you feel a little scared, you can say, I feel nervous.
I feel nervous.
If you want to talk in class, say, Excuse me, teacher.
Excuse me, teacher.
Perfect.
And if the teacher helps you, say,
Thank you, teacher.
Excellent, Sam.
before you go to school, say this, I can do it.
I can do it.
Yes, you can.
I'm proud of you.
Sam, this is your school.
Wow, it's big.
All the best, Sam. You will do great.
Thank you, Dad.
Bye, Sam. Have a nice day.
Bye, Dad.